There's a kind of work no friend, no partner, and no mentor will ever do with you. And if you don't do it yourself, your life quietly rots from the inside out. You ever notice how people will give you advice, motivation, sympathy, even money, but when it's 2 a.m. and your mind is attacking you, no one is there inside your head but you? That's not an accident. That's the deal life makes with every man. Certain battles are non-transferable. This video is called 7 Things No One Will Do For You, because these are the 7 responsibilities you cannot outsource. Not to your parents, not to your partner, not to your therapist, not even to your friends. If you refuse them, you stay stuck. If you accept them, you become dangerous in the best way. But before we begin, subscribe, like the video, and check out the Daily Stoic Discipline Journal to build your mindset in 10 minutes a day. Now, let's begin. 1. The silent contract of being a man. Every man has to learn there's an invisible contract he signed the day he became an adult. The world can help you, it can guide you, it can warn you, but the core battles, the ones that decide who you become, are yours alone. I once knew a man who had everything: supportive parents, a loyal partner, a therapist he trusted, and a community that genuinely wanted to see him win. Yet every night he found himself staring at the ceiling, wrestling with anxiety and confusion that no one else could calm. Not because people didn't care, but because no one could step into the ring on his behalf. That's the first truth. Some paths must be walked alone, and the day you accept that is the day your transformation begins. 2. No one will sit inside your mind and clean it for you. You can talk to people, journal, meditate, vent your frustrations, and all of that helps. But the final moment, the moment when you decide whether to stay in your bitterness or rise out of it, that moment is yours alone. I once worked with a guy who blamed his father, his ex, his bosses, even his friends for how he felt. But the problem wasn't what they did. The problem was the story he kept replaying. He was trapped, not by the past, but by the narrative he repeated every day. That's the part no one else can do. The decision to stop feeding your mind poison. Marcus Aurelius wrote that the mind becomes dyed with the color of its thoughts. If you keep dipping yourself in anger, resentment, and comparison, don't be surprised when your life reflects it. And here's the hard truth. You can have the best support system in the world, but no one can reach inside your skull and pull out the toxic beliefs rotting you from within. That is your job, always. 3. No one will tell you the brutal truth as hard as you can. People soften their words because they want to protect feelings, preserve relationships, or avoid awkwardness. Even the people who love you won't tell you everything you need to hear. You know who will? You, if you're willing. There was a man who kept saying he tried everything to lose weight, build discipline, and start his business. But one night he finally admitted to himself that he wasn't trying. He was hoping. He caught himself lying in a way no friend ever would have confronted him. That self-interrogation is one of the rarest skills a man can develop. Stoics called it brutal honesty. You're not blaming yourself, you're confronting yourself. You stop acting like your own defense attorney and start acting like your own commander. No one else can do that interrogation with you. They're not inside your mind. They don't see the corners where you hide your excuses. Only you can shine the flashlight there. 4. No one will build the discipline that changes your story. Everyone wants discipline, but no one can build it for you. People can motivate you, remind you, even challenge you, but the work still gets done in solitude. There was a guy who kept searching for the perfect routine. He tried accountability partners, habit apps, motivational videos, workout groups. Nothing stuck. Not because the systems were wrong, but because he refused to wrestle through the boredom alone. Then one day it clicked. Discipline is not a group activity. It's the early morning when no one is awake to applaud you. It's the workout when no one is checking your progress. It's the project you push forward when no one is watching. Epictetus said, "First say to yourself what you would be, then do what you must do." But here's the twist. No one else does the must. It's your sweat, your hours, your grind. When men finally accept that discipline is not a team sport, everything changes. 5. No one will end your weak attachments for you. There are relationships, habits, addictions, and comforts that slowly choke a man's potential. People may warn you. They may beg you, but no one will feel the withdrawal on your behalf. A man once stayed in a dead relationship for 3 years, waiting for the universe to end it for him. He wanted his partner to leave first. He wanted the problems to explode on their own. He wanted life to make the decision so he didn't have to feel the guilt or loneliness. But that's not how weak attachments die. You kill them, or they kill you. Leaving the wrong people, deleting the destructive habits, cutting ties with comfort. These are psychological amputations, and no one else can share that pain. It's your emotional surgery alone. People can hold your hand, but they can't carry your heart through the healing. That burden is yours. Always. 6. No one will protect your time like it actually matters. The world will take your time without hesitation. People will interrupt, distract, drain, and derail you, not because they're evil, but because your life isn't their responsibility. I knew a guy who spent years busy. Teams depended on him. Friends called him non-stop. Family asked him for everything. He thought being constantly available made him a good person. What it really made him was exhausted, unfocused, and perpetually behind. No one will guard your time like a treasure. You have to be the one who locks the gate, sets the boundaries, and refuses to let your day be stolen. Your time is your life in disguise. If you don't protect it, no one will. Not because they don't love you, but because they don't have to live with the consequences you face. 7. No one will carry the weight of your failures. When you fail, people might console you, criticize you, or give advice, but they don't wake up with your shame. You do. I once witnessed a man lose a business he poured everything into. Friends comforted him. Family tried to reassure him. But at night, when the world was quiet, he couldn't escape the weight settling on his chest. He had 2 choices: let the failure define him, or turn it into fuel. That second choice, the Stoic choice, is something no one else can make with you. Failure is a mirror. It shows you who you really are. You can hide from it, or you can build from it. That is your decision alone. People may walk beside you, but they cannot carry what is yours to carry. 8. No one will choose your long-term future over your short-term feelings. Friends say, relax, take it easy. Society says, you deserve it. Everyone encourages comfort in the short term. Why? Because they don't live in the future you're creating. There was a man who kept choosing temporary pleasure over long-term ambition. Nights out instead of nights studying, comfort instead of consistency, relief instead of responsibility. Everyone around him encouraged it, because they weren't the ones who had to live inside his consequences. The moment he realized that was the moment his standards changed. He chose his future self over his present feelings. That's a decision no one can make on your behalf. It's the highest form of self-respect, sacrificing now so you can be proud later. This isn't a sad truth. It's liberation. The moment you stop waiting for someone to fix your mind, your habits, your relationships, your discipline, your courage, that's the moment life quietly tilts in your favor. These 7 things no one will do with you aren't curses. They're doorways. Once you walk through them, you stop being a passenger and become the architect of your life. So commit to one of these 7 today. Tell me in the comments which one you're owning first. And if you're ready for more Stoic power psychology, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.